say she got that wet, yes, yeah, she got water. Dior Hedi still main, yeah, they cost a shot. I told Shawty so my clock, yeah, she's a dirt, I hear how she dancing.
Now let me stop, bro. Y'all can probably guess what the video is. You're gonna need some paint, some varnish, not some paint, a whole lot of paint, bro. Whole lot of paint, whatever color you're choosing. Some varnish, gloss, medium. Really, that's about it, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how to flare these things up. I'm gonna show y'all how to gloss them up. Bro, we just gonna catch a vibe, bro. Y'all enjoy the video. So first, we just starting out by tracing this perfect flare. Now, I apologize if I sound a little funny. I'm under the weather, but it's like 2 inches at the top, and then it's like, I don't know how many inches it is at the bottom, bro. It's hella. I cut the 2 inches at the top to be 1 before I start sewing. I just have the 2 just to be safe. Now I'm just taking my seam tear, slipping it under that hem, doing them dirt. Let me go ahead and speed that up so y'all don't gotta watch me struggle. Then I took them to the iron off camera, and now we got them things looking nice and flat. They'll be easy to work with. I'll pay attention to this important flare math so we can save the Depop flare epidemic. Measure my flare top to bottom. I got 23.75, right? Now, a few quick calculations.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
We got a few other calculations. Oh, wait. Now, we got a few other calculations we need to take note of. We got 1 inch more and 3 inches more. Mine just says 1.25 because I just wanted to round it off. So now we take our tape measure, and then we really only have to mark the 1 inch and the 3 inches, but I marked all 3 here. And Silly Goose is not even trying to let me mark them.
Silly Goose, please, please.
Do it on both legs. The plus 1 inch is where you want to seam tear the straight stitch to. So mine said 23 point, I forgot already, bro, but you just add 1 inch and you seam tear to that one. The plus 1 inch, right? And then I rip open the serges up until that point as well. All right, y'all, if you made it this far, it's time to lock in. We finna leave the straight stitch alone, and then we finna tear out just the serges, like an extra inch or 3 inches, bro. Just the serges. If you seam tear this amount out, you should be able to iron it all flat and your flare should sit in there perfect. So my flare will sit in all this open space, and then right at the top it'll be flat Stanley. All right, it's game time. Denim in my left, flare on my right. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, since I already had this thing ironed 1/2 inch back, I just like top stitched it from the bottom. Now, when we sew the second side, we don't want to sew it like this because we'll be sewing through 2 layers. We take it, we pull that other 1/2 inch back, and then we just sew it like normal. So we go to town on that seam, and now look at me, bro. I gotta seam tear some of these seams out since I want to top stitch from the back, giving top stitch back shots, bro. It's devious. And now we just close up this last little inch from us, seam tearing that extra inch out. So if y'all watched last week's video, y'all know I just did a little color remover dye bath situation. This is like just in case the paint crack or the varnish crack or whatever, I wanted to still have some brown underneath, that nostalgia vibe. So I hit it with a little color remover. Stirred it up good. Threw them Johnnies down up in there. Then I took the branding off, bro. I need to be mindful, start taking this branding off. To spare all the time, this is a bleach bath after I did the color remover because it didn't really do what it needed to do the first time.
Holy shit.
So I'm just pouring this water out, wringing this stuff out, throwing it in the wash. There we go. Now them things looking like rocking all white when I'm feeling godly. Oh, stop that, just stop that. You ain't skip straight to the varnish, bro. You real for that, and I'm gonna bless you with the song for that.
Let me say what's on my mind. I wanna go back, rewind, but I can't lose that time. If they saw it through my eyes, they would look up, see the sky, cause I climb and I climb. hate on me should be a crime. How you gon' hate your whole lifetime? I spread peace and pass it around. Can't let the hate be holding me down. Can't let the hate be holding me down. Can't let the hate be holding me down. I'm a king, I don't need a crown. Came on straight dirt from the ground.
Alright, bro, let's get down to the action. I got myself 2 bottles of paint, a thing of Liquitex high gloss varnish, laid my pants flat, nice and flat. Now you just want to get your mats ready. And they say you want to do the ratio with like a 70-30 paint to varnish ratio. Let me try to get this thing open. Oh my God, bro. You cannot make this up. I peeled the first layer off, right? Then I peeled the second layer off, right? Tell me why there's a third layer of film, bro. Fashion guys got me in the bottle. We want to go ahead and pour this paint in there. This is our 70, y'all. This is our 70. Varnish is our 30. I'm trying to see what 70, 30 really is, bro. The varnish is so wet. Damn, this thing is not open. Bro, if the varnish is anywhere as near as hard to get the paint open, I quit. I give up. Okay, never mind. I got it open. I managed to get that one open. Now we're going to do a little poll in the comments, bro. I need y'all to let me know down below. Did I indeed pour a 70-30 paint to varnish ratio? Or did I just pour some damn paint and some varnish, bro? Y'all let me know down below in the comments. All right, now we can go ahead and get this varnish out of the way. Damn, are you okay, Unc? Giving them things a good old stir bob. Now we can paint. Oh, wait. Now we can paint. Y'all know what painting is, bro. Good long strokes. Pause. This is my first coat. I want to make sure he's even all the way through the denim. I'm going to leave y'all with this banger while I paint.
Gotta get things, she could've went the other way, Overall fucked up, I'ma tell my mom be great, I won't live a day with a smile out on my face, How I get miles away and still feel far from some space. How I get miles away and still feel far from some space. How I get miles away and still feel far from some space. How I get miles away and still feel far from some space. I'ma go get that shit either way. Yellow chicken, I'm raising cane. I don't do the drip, that's plain. I got rich on dropping game. I still think back about those things. Remember it like it was yesterday. I thank God he pumped my pay. All the long nights I work, all the photo days I pray. Try to tell what I'm worth, way before I build a stage. You nigga lost, I don't know how to play. I'm locked in, it was stepping on craze. I'm locked in, about to break in a cage. Stress is me, no winning the race. Changing my life, yeah, switch up the state. I was so fucked up, lost it straight. Keep putting that word, my nigga, we straight. Gotta get things, she could've went the other way,
Alright, it's been like 2 days, I think, since I touched these things. Like, I painted them 2 days ago and let them sit to dry. Yesterday was my girlfriend's birthday, so we chilled out. We caught a little vibe. And now I'm back in here, bro. And I just think I need to do one more coat to get it shiny with hella varnish. Because, like, they're stiff, bro. It's in there. And then some spots are shiny. But I need more shiny spots. So I'm gonna just do one coat, hella varnish. After I clean this mess up, bro, I really don't know what I got going over here. But then after that, bro, that one coat, I think it should... This is how stiff these things are, by the way. So beware of that. I didn't know that. Like, I knew they were gonna be stiff, but I didn't know they were gonna be like that stiff. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this last coat of varnish on here. We should be good to go after they dry up. I used most of this paint, so I put hella varnish in it, bro, and I just shook it all up. And now it's dumb wet, dumb soupy. Okay, silly Goose. She's just all up in the way, just breathing in the varnish.
Goose, back up. Watch out, bro. I have to put this back. Goose, no. Watch out, bro. Good Goose.
All right, this is our final coat, bro. This is our shiny coat. You want to paint this one anywhere you want that boy shining, gleaming, glimmering, shimmering. Get that thing sparkling. I wanted the whole thing sparkly, bro, so I went everywhere. And if you made it this far, you already know what time it is. Go ahead and join up in that Discord, brother. Big fat fashion family this year, bro. Come on, let's chop it up, bruh. You know you need some more fashion friends, some positive people, bro. Come chop it up with us. And then any of these pieces y'all see, bro, I drop them on my Depop right now. So go check there if you want to cop some. I'll probably get the site back open whenever I'll do some ready to wear stuff again.
Bro, I finished, bro. I finished, but I guess I wasn't recording the second angle. Oh, but they're them things shiny. They good and shiny. Hold on, let me get my light so you can really see. Them things shiny. They looking like a plastic bag. Aww. So now we wait, bro. Now we just wait, and then. Yeah, bro, I'll catch y'all. That just pissed me off, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm lit off of that.
Honestly, bro, the video don't do it much justice, but boom, there you go. A nice, sleek, and simple shimmery pair, bro. And I don't think I'll be spending that much money on Hedis in the near future, but it's definitely a texture I'm gonna throw in my toolbox. And Dior, y'all had y'all chance, bro. Quite honestly, y'all did something crazy, but it's our turn now. Nah, but seriously, don't let people brainwash you into following the fashion propaganda. I'ma learn all these trade secrets and drop them for y'all one video at a time. Y'all just gotta be patient with me. But I appreciate y'all who stuck around to the end, and even the ones who skipped through, bro. If you skipped through, I mean, you still gave me a little bit of time, so I appreciate you for that too. I'ma leave y'all with this little 360 and then show y'all my favorite part of the pants. They're so stiff, you can kind of do whatever you want with them and they'll still stay how you need them to. But yeah, after that, I just need y'all to remember the past, man, because that's who made you the person you are today.